Hey there, everybody. Six Stoner here. And, yeah, time to do a review. Haven't done one in a hell of a long time. So, got the bong here. Circus bong. Friend came up with it. Although I was thinking something else maybe, but I do have to clean it because I'm seeing the lines and I'm not liking that. And there's tar in that one. That's bad. Well, not tar, but see the side chamber in there? Yeah. There's tar in there and shit. What else? Right, review. Today I'm gonna do a review on comics. Haven't done one in a hell of a long time. A review just in general, you know what I mean, man? But also what I'm smoking today is a mixture in my grinder between Purple Haze, Blue Dream, Cherry Pie, Bubba and Banana Kush, and there was another one, but I don't remember that one. But whatever. Put all those in, shoved them in this, threw some keef on top. Boom! I've been lit. This is actually my second video I made because at the end I'm like, comic book seems like a better idea to make a video. The other one was just random. And me like smoking this shit, listening to this, talking about that poster, and coughing, which helps to get you higher. Yeah. But yeah, on to the comic books. Got Laura Fleas here. Now I have all of the comics except for the last one, which I know I need to get, because then it completes the fucking thing. I even have, dude, believe this, I even have the Christmas one from last year. Yeah, Laura Fleas has been out since last year. I have the Christmas one from last year, that one shot or whatever. Also, speaking off of Laura Fleas, that Green Lantern Brightest Day, I was really getting into that. Getting a hell of a lot. I was in the double digits with the Green Lantern Brightest Day for them, you know, and then just out of nowhere, it's just like, oh, I don't have the money, can't buy them anymore. You know how much it sucked? I missed out on the entire last of it. I also got the Flash, and I think I'm missing like 2 or 3 comics for it to be completed. The Flash Brightest Day, that one, before they did the new 52. But yeah, and what I can't decide which one is my favorite, the Flash or Green Arrow. I mean, I liked Green Arrow when he was in Justice League Unlimited. He was pretty badass in that. And then the recent one they came out with, Arrow, dude, the dude plays him fucking nice. And yeah, the cast is pretty great too. It's just, oh man, the last season of it though I missed because I was working and I had work all those days. But it's fine. You know why it's fine? Because now I can watch them all. Just boom, knock them all out in one day. Arrow. Trust me though. Oh damn, sorry. Jimmy. Yeah, trust me though. If you're on the fence about Arrow, you should sit down and watch it. At the moment, it's only like 2.5, 3 seasons in. Yeah, 2.5 or 3.5 seasons in. I forget, but yeah. I like The Walking Dead too. I have a couple of the comics. Yeah. They're different storylines, man. You know, yeah. But that's to be expected. I mean, they did it in Arrow too. Oh, and Smallville. I was expecting Arrow to be like Smallville, and when it wasn't, and it was the way it is, I'm like, oh, yeah, that's still pretty good. It's like, it's pretty realistic, because billionaires can do whatever the hell they want. So, if they're like, hey man, I want to be a superhero, That's what they're doing. Is like, how can you stop them? Honestly, that would be... Alright, if I became a billionaire, that's what I'm going to do. If I became a billionaire, boom. I'm just gonna be like, no, we're doing this shit. We're gonna make this work, and this is gonna be an awesome life now. How awesome would that be, though? Just like, other people are like, oh, I'm a billionaire, yeah, look at all this crap I bought, and I'm just using it, blah, blah, blah. I'd be like, dude, motherfucker, let's suit up and go fight crime or something. Let's go bust down, meth labs, and, I don't really know, but whatever they do. And then eventually it's like, oh, well, now I'm a super villain, blah, 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 and then there you go. But then you have to work on your body. Oh, that would be so awesome. Not only am I a billionaire and a superhero, I have to work on my body. I have to be, like, pristine condition to do this, man. Like, I'd be, man. That would be so fucking awesome. I think I'm yelling. I think I got a little too excited there. I think I was yelling. You know what? But that's to be expected. Because just fucking imagine it. You're now a superhero billionaire. Yeah. It can't get much better than that. Man, oh man. Oh, I can't get over that. If I could only be a billionaire. It's like imagine this, Mark Cuban as a secret superhero, man. How fucking awesome would that be? It's like, comes off as this abrasive guy. It's like, listen, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lay the playing field. This is where you're on my ball field now. You're coming to me. And then he's like, he just like turnside, boom, 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 fucking superhero, taking down meth labs and mafia hideout. I don't know. It's like, I don't really know, really what a superhero does. Like, just okay, meth lab. It's like, we don't really have people running around in other costumes and whatever doing shit. So, well, up in Washington we do. Yeah. Up in Washington, the state, there's like superheroes and super villains there. Like, I'm gonna be a super villain because I don't like what you're doing. You're trying to do good. It's like, you're a fucking dick. You're not a super villain. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I guess that is goodbye for now. Maybe. Bye.